peacock? Good. Where is duck? Good. Where is parrot? Good. Where is rooster? Good. Where is crow? Good. Where is bulbul? Good. Where is pigeon? Good. Where is robin? Robin. Good. Where is hen? I want hen. Good. Where is sparrow? Kunjuguruvi. Where is sparrow? Where is sparrow? Good. Where is turkey? Where is turkey? Turkey, ma, turkey kaano? Where is turkey? Where is turkey, ma? You want to go next page? Where is owl? Owl, where is owl? Where is pelican? Pelican. Pelican? Good. Where is penguin? Good. Where is eagle? Eagle. Eagle flying, no, eagle. Where is eagle? Eagle, what is eagle? Good. Where is woodpecker? Good. Where is flamingo? Flamingos? Good. Where is quail? Quail. Good. Where is toucan? Toucan eating. Where is the toucan? Toucan. I want toucan. Good, Rishan. Swan swimming, Lama. Swan. Where is the swan? This one is the swan. No. Swan. Okay. Next page. Where is myna? Rishan, where is myna? Good. Where is owl? Good. Where is ostrich? Ostrich seriyumla papileke. Ostrich engama?
Rishan.
Okay. Good. Rishan in the book. Come on. Okay. Where is ladybug? Good. Where is cockatoo? Good. Where is leopard? Good. Where is chameleon?
Slow.
Chameleon. Where is chameleon? Chameleon? Good. Where is dog? Good, Rishan. Where is bull? Where is bull? Where is bull, ma? I want bull, Rishan. Where is the bull? Bull. Where is bull? Bull? Where is the bull? Bull, ma, bull. Good. Where is sheepdog? Good. Where is turkey? Good. Where is goat? Goat, inga? Very good. Where is horse? Good. Where is rooster? Good. Where is goose? Good. Where is hen? Hen. I want hen. Good. Where is pony? Pony. Good. Where is duck? Good. Where is pig? Good. Where is cow? Cow, ma? Oh, Rishan, where is the cow? Cow? Here is the cow. Where is the sheep? Sheep, ma? Sheep, chalo. Good, Rishan. Very good. Where is gooseling? The duckling, the chick. This was gooseling. Okay, where is dog, ma? Dog. Okay, you can go to next page. Where is meerkat? Meerkats. Where is meerkat? Meerkat, ma? Good, Rishan. Rhinoceros. 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 Where is Gazelle? Gazelle. அங்க இருக்கா? Gazelle எங்கம்மா? Gazelle. Good. Where is lion? Lion open பண்ணுப்பா. Lion எங்கப்பா? Good. அப்புறம் camel. C for camel. Camel எங்க? Camel. Good. Ostrich. Good. Giraffe எங்கம்மா? Giraffe. Good. Zebra. Zebra எங்க சொல்லும்? Zebra. Good. Elephant. What elephant do? Good. Where is leopard? Good, Rishan. Good. Where is leopard? Chuma, next page போலாம். இதுல பாரு, toucan எங்க? Toucan எங்கம்மா? Toucan. அது புரியலாமா? Toucan எங்க? Where is toucan? Chameleon எங்க? Chameleon. Orangutan. Chameleon எங்க? Where is chameleon? Ma? So where is orangutan? இருக்கா? எங்க இருக்கு? Good. Where is orangutan? Good, Rishan. Where is gorilla? Good. Where is monkey? Good. Where is chimpanzee? Good. Where is butterfly? Butterfly எங்கம்மா? Good. Where is toucan? எங்கப்பா? காணும். toucan எங்க? இந்த இருக்கு toucan. tiger எங்க? tiger எங்கம்மா? Good. snake எங்கம்மா? Good. chameleon இருக்கா? Very good. chameleon எங்கடா செல்லும்? இதா இருக்கு chameleon. இதா இருக்கு toucan. Very good. Where is shark? Shark எங்கம்மா? Shark எங்கப்பா? Good. Shark எங்க? Shark எங்கடா செல்லும்? Good. இது seahorse. Starfish எங்க? Starfish.
Where is deer?
Flamingo எங்கம்மா? Flamingos.
deer சொல்லிட்டான் பாரு. deer.
இது reindeer.
deer தான் அது.
reindeer. ரெண்டு முள்ளு இருக்குல்ல, கொம்பு இருக்குல்ல. Flamingo. Good. அது swan. Where is toad frog? penguin. அடுத்த பேஜ் போலாம். மம்மி தோக்குறேன். மம்மி வந்து பேஜ் பண்றேன்ப்பா. let me turn. Where is ladybug? Good. Where is woodpecker? Hello, woodpecker. Good. Kingfisher. Good. Pelican. Good. Seagulls. Good. Peacock. Good. Cockatoo. Good. அப்புறம் kangaroo. Good, Rishan. Good job. Where is dog? Doggy. Bo. Doggy amma puppy dog. Dog என்னப்பா? Good. Where is duck? Duck எங்கப்பா? quack சொல்லலப்பா. பைலட்ல. Good. Where is goat எங்கம்மா? goat. Goat எங்கப்பா? Good. Tiger. Good. Sheep. Sheep. Good. Horse. Horse. Sheep. Not interested. Turtle. Okay, இது படிக்கலாம். Okay, where is the pig? Pig. I want pig, Rishan. Pig. Good. Another pig. Good. Where is the dog? Doggy ma. Kutima. Doggy ma. Doggy. Doggy. Where is the doggy? Hey. Doggy. Where is the ladybug? Ladybug. Ladybug pa? Another ladybug? Ladybug, no? Good. Seahorse? Good. Another seahorse? Hey, where is another seahorse? Hey, look, seahorse. Where is gooseling? Good. Fish. Good. Deer. Good. Toad frog. Toad frog. Toad frog. Rooster. Good. Butterfly. Butterfly. Good. You have completed this book. Very good, Rishan.
Good boy, Rishan. Let's cheer it up. Clap, clap, clap.
Okay.
Very good boy.
Where is Baba Black Sheep? Where is Baba Black Sheep? Good, Rishan. Where is Jack and Jill? Good. Where is Chubby Cheeks? Chubby Cheeks. Okay. Where is Chubby Cheeks? Where is Chubby Cheeks? Okay. Let me put. Where is Chubby Cheeks, Rishan? Mommy pora. Where is Chubby Cheeks? Where is God bless? God bless, mommy. Good. Where is Chubby Cheeks? Hey, Chubby Cheeks, ma. Good. Where is Pussycat? Pussycat. Good. Where is Rain, Rain, go away? Rain, Rain, go away? Rain, Rain, go away. Where is Hickory Dickory Dock? Hickory Dickory Dock. Where is Hickory Dickory Dock? அங்க இருக்கு லேப்டாப்லயே இருக்கும் இங்க புக்ல எங்க இருக்கு சொல்லு. Where is Hickory Dickory Dock? Good. அப்புறம் where is Humpty Dumpty? Good. Where is Little Jack Horner? Little Jack Horner sat in a corner. Where is that? Good. Where is Little Miss Moffat? Little Miss Moffat, Mama. Good. Where is to market? To market. Good. Where is Ding Dong Bell? Ding Dong Bell. Good. Where is Simple Simon? Good. Where is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? Good. Where is London Bridge is falling down? Good. Where is Mary had a little lamp? Mary had a little lamp. Good one, Rishan. Good. Where is two little hands to clap, clap, clap? Good. Where is rain, rain, come soon? Where is rain, rain, come soon? Where is rain, rain, come soon, Rishan? Good. Where is hot cross bun? Hot cross bun. Good, Rishan. Good.
Very good boy.
Where is Jack? Jack, Mama. Jack and Jilla. Very good.
Let's clap, clap, clap. Very good boy. Nice catch. Nice identification.
Good.
Let's cheer it up. Thank you, Rishan.
Say bye.
Thank you,
Say bye,
Rishan.
Daddy. Say bye.
Rishan SabarJit.
Rishan எப்படி காணோம்? Who is Rishan?
இப்ப டாடி பாரு.
டாடி காணோம்.
Hello, hi. Let's go and
அங்க ரைம்ஸ்லாம் போடணும். Okay, stop.